Hey flower friends, LuAnn here. Let's open up our dashboard, find the one-page template, and go ahead and click the copy icon. It's right next to the pin. Then we're going to go ahead and change the name of this event. We are making a copy of it like we would make a copy of a Microsoft Word document. It's going to have everything that's already in the event, but we're going to be able to work from here. So name it centerpiece pricing or whatever you're working on. And we're going to go ahead and follow along as I build 3 recipes in less than 5 minutes. You can add some wording for your event description. Those keywords are searchable. And then pick an event date. You can follow along. You can pause at any time. Let's go ahead and click Submit and Open. Now we have our event opened up. We're going to click on page 1. We're going to click Edit Page. And we're going to go ahead and give this a page name, Centerpiece Options 2026. Go ahead and click Submit. Now click on the first header called Recipe 1. That will open an Edit pop-up, and you can change the name of that header. Recipe 2 will do the same thing. Change the name of that header. And Recipe 3, change the name of that header. We're going with a small, a medium, and a large centerpiece. You can pause this at any time and catch up. Now we're going to click on Add Item, and we're going to go ahead and search for the items that we want to use in this event. We're going to find our 5-inch cylinder vase, and we're going to go ahead and add that item. If you don't have it, just add an item that has a vase in it for right now. Then you're going to click on Focal Flower High End, Focal Flower Low End, and Line Flower. Search for the word flower, and you can add all of these flowers, just like I did. Now we're going to just build our recipe. The first step, if we know what we're going to charge the client, is to put in the quoted prices. We've got $125, $175, and $250 for our small, medium, and large centerpieces. Now that we've got that, we can click the compact display button and kind of make the numbers fit on the screen, and we'll go across and put a vase in each of the 3 recipes. So go ahead and do that. And now you're going to see that we want to turn on our labor fee. We can just check the box next to each one, or we could use the labor fee button. You're going to see our quoted price is $125. That's the amount we plan to charge the client. Right now, we have a retail value and we have a difference. So those 2 lines are very important, and we'll show you as we go along that the retail value will go up and the difference will go down as we add our flowers. The retail value is the amount of money that we are charging based on the software's calculation, and the difference is the amount between what we plan to charge in the quoted price box and what the retail value of the design is based on our markups and our labor fee. So now I'm going to go ahead and just lower a couple of the recipe items because we're a little bit over budget because we have a negative difference. So you can follow along and adjust these numbers just like I am, and you will see that by lowering the numbers on some of the items, the difference is now becoming a positive number. We have a $2.15 difference on that recipe. Let's move on to the next one. We're going to do our medium recipe. We're going to add our items into the boxes, and we're going to look down and see that we have a $3.40 difference. So we're in the positive. We want that number to be positive, and we want it to be close to 0. Now for our third recipe, I'm popping in the numbers. I'm looking down at the bottom, and I can see that I have a negative difference, a negative $40 and $42 difference. I need to put less product in this arrangement. So I'm going to go through and see where I can cut back a touch on my large design so that I can make sure that my retail value is either less than or equal to the price I want to charge, which is the quoted price. That price is $250. So now my retail value is $245.70 and my quoted price is $250 with a positive difference of $4.30. If you have questions, let me know.